to okay, so I've been trying to do random things today. One of them is fixing my what is it called, fixing my NextOS config. There are some issues. Okay, let us see. And my computer has crashed once during all of this, so I'm just checking if I got that. ls grep 2025. Yeah, 47 I started. I have that recording, and I have this one which I just started. Yeah, good to go. Okay, now let's cd into ZeniOS and do it, and vim dot. Oh my god, I hate this. rmrf dot config /nvim. Please remove that. Control R and v chad. Yeah, this is what I'm talking about. This is what I like. Yeah, better. Okay, so wallpapers, I did make the changes, I think. Yeah, I did. I was making changes to hosts, default, config. Yeah, please, I need to edit it. pkg environment system with packages, vim, blah blah, yada yada yada. Tree, Spotify. I don't need Spotify. Do I need Spotify? I don't know. I have no clue about Spotify. What else can I remove? Everything else is a terminal utility or like something really important, so I won't remove them. OBS Studio I want. Kaden Live I want. How would I edit videos for you? Kaden Live I want. What else do I want? Yeah, that should be all for now. WQA ls next cd config cd wallpapers rm beautiful old old.jpg. Let's remove that, and I'll do a, am I even recording? Yeah, I'm recording this time. This is fine. And I'll do a nh or ns I forgot again. It's better if I see. .bash or c. Nix switch, NixOS switch. How do I do it? fr. Okay. QA fr. Let's see how much time it takes. Meanwhile, I'll be continuing with studying Java, because like that is what pays my bills. So where was I? Encapsulation coupling. I know these, but how do I implement these in Java? Okay. Animal string name, this dot name, constructor, okay. Class animal, private string name. So we have kept the string name private, okay. This dot name equal to name, getter method. Yeah, this thing is frying right now. Let's see. I don't know if you guys can hear it, but yeah, no, this is not that. This must be something else. Well, nice for us. Make sound, polymorphism overridden method. We overrid what though? Make sound, okay. Get name, constructor, encapsulation, getter method, okay. Derived class inheritance, class dog extends animal, okay, so it will have all the properties of animal. What does the super keyword do here? Polymorphism overriding method. Yeah, here you are overriding the method derived class. Cat extends animal, constructor, polymorphism, makes sound, class oops, dog and cat. Makes sense. Okay, oops concept MCQ. Which of the following best describes its encapsulation in Java? Encapsulation is piecing things together, defining multiple methods with the same name, creating a new class from an existing class. No, that is not encapsulation, that is I forgot. That is inheritance. Hiding the implementation details of a class. Encapsulation, no, that is abstraction. Defining, oh shit, just a second, let me see. Yeah, all good, really don't care. Creating a new class from an existing class, that is inheritance. Defining multiple methods with the same name. No. Allowing objects to be treated as instances of the parent class. Yeah, that is something. Okay, encapsulation involves hiding implementation details of a class and providing public interface. Then what is abstraction? Okay, I'll have to see. What it is method overloading. Using multiple methods with the same parameters. No, using the same method name with different parameters. Extending a method in a subclass, overriding a method in a subclass. Yeah, I'm cooked. It's a specific implementation of a method that is already defined in its superclass. Subclass. I need to be more patient with my answer. Specific implementation method. Method overriding. No, overload. Oh, there is a difference. And that is overriding, I would say. B. Okay, good. Which access modifier is used to restrict access of two members of a class within the same package and subclass? Access of members of a class within the same package and subclasses. Private or protected? Protected. B. Yes. What is the purpose of abstract keyword in Java? There is an abstract keyword in Java. To declare a class that cannot be instantiated, maybe. To define a method that must be implemented by subclass, not really. Both A and B. To define a constant, nah. I will go with C. Yes, C. Did you know? What will we learn in OOPS concepts? I'll just go to next. AW. This will take time. My stream might get interrupted again, so sorry about that. Java naming conventions. Okay, advantages of naming conventions. Okay, class, it should start with the uppercase letter. It should be really don't care. Interface should be it should be adjective. Okay, method start with a lowercase. Methods you start with a lowercase. Variable, it should start with a lowercase, such that okay, should not start with the not start with the special characters. Okay, yeah, fine. Package, lowercase, constant, all caps. Okay, good to go. Objects and classes in Java. We just saw this, I think. Where are we? Oh no, we didn't. What is object in Java? Characteristics of an object. Object definitions. What is class in Java? Class in Java is exactly what it is anywhere else. Maybe, let's say. Fields. Variables treated inside a class identity. Okay, that was a field. Okay. Crazy naming conventions. Methods, the functions defined. Okay, constructors are unique methods that are used to initialize class objects. Okay, constructor. Okay, so basic constructor. Within class, Java allows two different kinds of blocks: instance blocks, commonly referred to as initialization blocks, and static blocks. Static blocks, which are usually used for static okay. Block. Nested class and sub interface. Syntax of a class. Instance variables in Java. A variable created inside a class but outside the method is known as an instance variable. Okay, that I know. Method in Java. Advantages of methods. New keyword in Java. The new keyword is used to allocate memory at runtime. All objects get memory in a heap memory area. Okay. Okay. Object and class example. Main with the class and this. Yeah, this doesn't make much sense. Students and what tested out. Explanation. Object and class example. Main method outside the class. So you make a class like java.class and then you render it. That's how it works, I think. Then it becomes a .java file and then you run it. That is how, like, you do a java and then Java. Ah, shit. Nah, it's fine. Yeah, I can continue. This will take time. Am I recording? I am. By reference variable, by method initialization through reference variable. Initializing an object means storing data in object. Let's see a simple example. Initialization through reference variable. Student ID and name. Okay, class test student 2. New class. So we take everything from student and we do something new. Okay. What is this? Explanation. I got it. Initialization through method. I can't close my phone, so sorry about that. I don't know this. Word insert records. Okay, you make a method and then use that method to get your things done. Okay. Explanation. I got it. Initialization through a constructor. You make a constructor with parameters and then just pass it when you need it. Fine. Object and class example employee. Nah, I got it. Object and class example rectangle. Nah, I got it. What is the different ways to create an object in Java? New keyword, new instance. Clone, I don't know. The clone method creates a copy of the existing object by performing a shallow copy. It returns a, what is a shallow copy? By factory method, what the fuck is a factory method? Factory methods are static methods within class that return instance of the class. They provide a way to create objects without directly invoking a constructor and can be used to encapsulate object creation logic. Class name.create instance. File or network and then read object method is called to recreate the object. Okay. There's new instance. Oh my god. Anonymous object. Oh wow. You create it on the fly. Calculation C equal to new calculation C dot fact. 5 calling method through an anonymous object new calculation. Let's see the full example of an anonymous object. Okay, you create something, a class, and then you use it on the fly. Good strategy. Creating multiple objects by one type only. Rectangle, calculate area. There is a method of that rectangle class. This rectangle R1 you created, creating 2 objects and then calculating the area. Fine. Real world example, account. Same. Object and class in Java MCQ. Let's go. What is the primary distinction between class and object in Java? A class is no, an object is a blueprint for a class. No. A class is a blueprint of an object is an instance of a class. C. When I meant C, I meant the option C. I do want to see the answer as well. see. Go back. Which of the following regarding instance variables in Java? They are defined within methods and are local to those methods. Instance variables, they are defined within the methods and are local to those methods. No. They are created when an object is instantiated and destroyed. They are static variables and belong to the class itself. They do. They are shared among all instances of the class. It is created inside, I think it should be D. Why isn't this working? Yeah, it's fine, I can skip this. Constructors. Is my build complete? No, it isn't. In Java, the constructor block code similar to what is this? Constructors. I know how to make constructor. Default constructor, parameterized constructor, class spec. Default constructor, I know. I want the parameter. Okay, default. Oh, okay, got it. Default constructor, it's just made with the values and with whatever value you add to the class, and a parameterized one gives the values. Okay, not too hard. Constructor overloading. Okay, you created a student 5s1. Okay, you added an extra one. Nice. You're creating 3 argument constructor. Okay, that's nice. Good. Okay, you have 2 different constructors. Fine. Constructor chaining. You made a vehicle constructor that defaults the year, and default constructor with all the parameters, make, model, int, year. Okay. Constructor with that defaults the year, and the default constructor. So based on the amount of data you are getting, you will be using them. Car constructor with additional attributes. Derived class from vehicle. Okay. And then you Toyota Corolla 2022. This is the first one. Ford Mustang 2021. True. Yeah. Oh no, this is for the car. Car I didn't see. Display info. Yes. No. Okay. Vehicle default class, new vehicle, new car, this that Java superclass definition, no different from a normal classes. And age, display info, 3 methods. Super, what does super even do? Constructor and its superclass. Okay, it invokes, oh shit. I should just put this place on mute for now. Oh shit. Yeah. Super constructor, display info. Okay, so you make a class, then you extend it, and then you do super, so it gets the info of the class before it as well. Nice. And chaining is like doing that. Okay, you need to add a override method to display the student. Overriding the display info method in person has a display info. Yes, it does. And then you override it, and then you make a super display info. You use that, and then you add that. Okay. Java constructor, Java method. Okay, the constructor must not have a return type. Fine. It returns the object. A method must have a return type. Yeah. Yeah. The constructor is invoked implicitly. Yeah, I know. The method is okay. The Java compiler provides a default constructor if we do not have any constructor. Okay, default constructor would be made. Difference between constructor. I just saw Java copy constructor. How do I copy it? S1, S2. S2 I just passed everything. 6s. S.id, student 6, student constructor to initialize another object. Wow. There is no copy constructor in Java. However, you can copy the values from one object to another, like copy constructor in C++. Okay, I can't do that, but I can do that. Acha, you pass the other one. Where is the other one? Okay. Copying values without constructor. You can copy values of one object into another by assigning the object's value to another object. Acha? Yeah, it doesn't make any sense. We'll be patient. We are already very patient with that. Am I recording? Yes, I am. Does constructor return any value? No. Can constructor perform other task instead of initialization? Yes. Starting a thread, calling a method, yeah, those I'll learn. Calling a method I knew. Is there a constructor class in Java? Yes. What is the purpose of constructor? Constructor class that can be used to get the internal information of a constructor in the class. It belongs to Java language. Reflect package. Oh, yeah. That is the first time I'm hearing that. Reflect. Is it anywhere on the page? Reflection API? No. Reflect package. Yeah, it was never a part of this page. Fine. Where is it? Yeah, it was never a part of this page. I didn't skip anything. Let's go. AW. Static. This is interesting. Memory management mainly. We can apply static method with variable. Okay, the static keyword belongs to the class, the instance of the class. Yeah, we apply beyond memory management as to the other users. When it comes to it, means that the variable is shared by all the instances of the class. Okay, and belongs to the class as a whole. Not just any one instance. Static methods are available throughout the program since they can be called without. What is the difference between this and public then? Okay, public exposes the class, that I know. Static, I know the use of static. I know the use of static. Let's see. Step blue. This keyword in Java, this refers to whatever object you are on. This much I know. This much I know. SW. Java object get class method is used to obtain the runtime class of an object. Acha. Next. Oh my god. I just wanted that button, took it to the next page. That's why. Pardon my mistake. Is this done? No. I think I should jump to making something using Java. That would teach me more. This I can close. What is this tab? I don't know. I'll close this as well. Please close. Okay. Let's start with building something. GitHub. I'll start with very basic things, like really basic. Where do I see the stars? I think so, your stars. And I need to increase the size. Backend challenges. Let's go. I can do these in other languages, but I want to do this in Java. Okay. Beginner, hello world API. Develop a basic REST API that returns hello world. Backend challenges. Okay, I can just create this. Hello world API. Develop a basic REST API that returns hello world. Okay, since this is taking time, I'll just next shall be. I want Java compiler and Java. I need to see how to install Java SDK on next. Java SDK on next. SG, is there a flake that I can use by any chance? allow and free, omelet dot no, JRE packages Oracle JRE 8 to install Oracle JRE system wide, not right now. Overriding Java JK certificate store, I really don't need to do those things. Oracle JRE 8, I can do this. Mix shall be Oracle JRE 8. This should do. Let's see how much time it takes. Unfortunately, we cannot download file automatically. Acha, please go to this to download it yourself and add it to the next store using either this or this. Almost all Java packages. I need to increase the size. Config.next so that the desired JRE omelet to install Oracle JRE system wide. I just need to Oracle JRE 8. Okay. Next package search. JRE 8. Nice. Shit. There's something important that I'm checking. Let me see. JRE 8 would take time. This would take time. Yeah, I can do something else till then. This I will do. Let's see my tabs. Okay, this is the only tab I have. So meanwhile, I can just fiddle around with something else. Oh, wait a second, right? Website was really nice. Is there a backend one on that? Really nice website. It's better than Geeks for Geeks for sure. I don't like Geeks for Geeks at all. I don't know why, but I just don't. Tutorials, Python, no. Java, there is a lot to learn. I don't know shit, but it's fine. PHP, no. Not getting distracted. Software testing, agile QA, testing, G automation anywhere, UI path, RPA, SOAP UI, Postman, JUnit, Cucumber, Appium, mobile testing, manual testing, .NET, no. BTech, MCA, yay. This is what I was looking for. Compiler design, computer organization, ethical hacking, computer graphics, .NET, data warehouse, data mining, programs, Python, no Python for me. Trending technologies, cloud computing and all of that, really don't care. Web technologies, skip. Database, I will first learn the concepts. Big data technologies, Kubernetes and Kafka, Cassandra. Yeah, these I need to do. I'm not leaving this website anymore. Let's see. Where is web technology? Nah, not this. Trending. What does the artificial intelligence on hold? History, types of agent, during testing AI, problem solving, hill climbing algorithm, adversarial search, knowledge represent. This is nice. Uncertain knowledge or miscellaneous. AI tools. Scikit-learn, TensorFlow, Cappuccino, Keras, Cafe. I don't know when was this written. I am just going to steer clear from it. Not like I am an expert at those things, but yeah. No, not for me. I need to learn some networking for sure. I was done till NAT from one of my computer networking. What is a computer network? This. Oh my god. Network layer, I'm done, I think. DNS, FTMs, this I need to see. Computer network security later. Physical layer. Switching techniques, routing algorithms, computer networks. How long for this? Oh, this is done. Okay. Java tech version. Could not create the Java virtual machine. Programmer likes it. Okay. Java tech version. Command not found. Let us see. This is getting done, I think. This would have looked so cool on another term. This 3. Okay. Networking in Java. Okay. Java networking. Let's see. I hope I'm recording right now. I am. Nice. This can go to hell. This is happening. This is on part 387. Control Shift R. TCP and UDP it supports, so on that I can build one for HTTP. I don't need that actually. Port number, MAC address, connections, yada yada yada. Low level API, it deals with the abstraction of addresses, networking. high-level API deals with abstraction of URIs and URLs. Wow. Java is next level. Java socket programming, that would be getting too ahead of ourselves. How to make an API in Java? Is my setup complete? No, this is taking time. Is this complete? No, this will also take time. OpenCV, Breeze, and okay. Cadence Live dependency tree. There is one system path. So right now we are sitting here for Cadence Live. I think the Stylex change is done. Let's see. This is happening. This will take time. How to create a REST API using Java Spring Boot. API development in Java. Creating a RESTful API in Java, setting up the project. What is this? We need to set up a Java project. We will use Maven, a popular build tool for Java, to manage our project dependencies. Here's an example of a Maven pom.xml file that includes the required dependencies, which are creating the user model, implementing the RESTful API, @path, okay, user resource, private static map, okay, you created a map, in-memory storage for user data, then get, oh my god, this makes zero sense to me. Deploying and testing the API, achha. Oh my god, they wrote the tests as well. I'm not that good at programming, so I don't write tests yet, but that is a habit that I want for myself. Disadvantages of multi-threading in Java. I can't multi-thread in Java, by the way, so I won't go to the disadvantages of it. Hello World API. This is too deep dive. Creating a REST API quickly using pure Java. This is nice. I want to see how this is done. So you need to make a TCP connection and HTTP server you want to declare, and then just declare that on coming request of /hello you return hello world. Set up Spark. I'm in Java now. Creating a RESTful endpoint. Okay. Get new route user ID. Too complicated. Persisting data. No, I want to do it from scratch. Creating a table, RESTful post request, DAO example, get request. And if you fire a get request to this, I see the username return. No, this is, I just want to return hello. Java in Spring Boot. Creating API in Java for the first time. I'm not using ChatGPT for like very obvious reasons. Okay, it is going to give me exactly what I want, which I don't want. I want my skills to go up. A little manual of API design, nice. I like random PDFs. Just like the fields on application UI to communicate with the application. Okay, this site is opening. What is this even? Try private translations on TM. I hope the PDF isn't in whatever this language is. I don't speak it. I hope I don't offend anyone. This will take time. 36 minutes and still continuing. MLT dependency, one of 3 routes. Cadence Live is going on. Oh, I do need Cadence Live, let that happen. Software and system engineering, I don't know what this is. How to create a API in plain Java. Spark. Apache Spark. Oh shoot. Life comes in full circle. We are back to this website. I hope I'm recording. I am. This has been going for 40 minutes and this is really testing my patience. Stylex Plymouth. It takes so much time to generate a color scheme. Okay. There's something horribly wrong, but I'm not going to fix it today. Lambda expressions. That makes Spark applications less verbose. Okay. I wanted it to be more verbose actually. Create a Maven project and include the dependency in the pom.xml. Copy the following. Wow, that simple? Okay. How to create a Maven project in Shell? I am not going to use any ID. That I am hellbent. You should have Java SDK. You should have Java environment. You should have Java bin and Maven bin folder specified in your path environment variables. I can do that. MVN archetype generate dgroup ID, data artifact ID, and all of that, and then it's created resulting directory. Okay, create object using interactive method. Okay, okay, this is way better. MVN archetype. Okay, compilation error. First we want the JDK, which is still not installed. It'll take time. This will also take time. Okay, but we know how to create this Hello World API. I'll be posting all of this as well. What is next? Build an API that echoes back data sent via post. Now that I have this, press rec. I know the rest of the logic, so I can do this. Number generator service, random number. Okay. To check if a string is a palindrome, I can do a lot of these now. Let's see something which is not. Let us see something which isn't an API. Okay, this one would need This one would need storage. Okay, this one would need a storage. I should read up about it. How to connect Java to a DB. Java database programming. Let's go. Examples with MySQL. Okay, I don't like using MySQL because I haven't used it ever. Setting up MySQL. Okay, this page is horrible. I'm not going to read anything from this page. Java database connectivity in 5 steps. Let's go. 150, registered driver class, create connection, create statement, execute queries, close connection. Yeah, that isn't that. Create the statement object, execute the query, and close it. This is how to connect Java to MongoDB. Like this, old habits die hard. I really don't want to work with JavaScript anymore, so how do I do it? Mongo clients.create. Okay, the same way. This is using Java. There should be an example code. Yeah. Import string URL. This is how you make the connection, and then I know how to use MongoDB. Fine. Contact form, weather API, URL shortener service, email service, build an API to send and manage emails. Yeah, that is difficult. URL shortener for shortening and managing URLs. Managing is difficult. Shortening. How to shorten a URL? Let's see. Yeah, I don't want to do it. I just want to see how it's done. Using code. One simple solution could be hashing. Use a hash function to convert long string to short string. Okay. Yeah, this makes sense. Cryptography, notification service, authentication service, and all of that. Event scheduling, forum API, blog API, e-commerce API, Docker file. Write a Docker file for containerizing an application. I can do that. Docker Compose I can do. CI build pipeline, CI testing pipeline, CI build and testing pipeline. I have done these. CD setup pipeline. Okay. CD deployment pipeline. I have done these. Advanced e-commerce API. I don't know. Message queues. Yeah, those things are really far right now. This is taking a hell lot of time. Thanks to my internet connection, I guess. This is working, still working. This will take time. Okay, let's jump into something random for now. Ocular do I have? I think I should have Ocular. Yeah, I do. Ocular. Let's read some Leibniz. Kudos to the best internet connection ever. Yes. Wait a second. Exit. Next shall be open JDK. Open no, that wasn't JRE, I think. JRE 8. JRE 8, and let's see what is the name for Okay, so my internet connection would be disturbed now, but I can switch to my phone. I have better internet on my phone, I feel. So this is okay. This is recording. Build tools. This is happening. Yeah, this isn't. This hasn't stopped. Thank God it was on the stylex part. Okay, I switched on my phone's Wi-Fi. Moto G62. Nice. 4, 5. Okay. What were they going to find? Next package search JVM. What happened? OpenJDK already installed. Okay, the lights are on, but internet won't be stable for some time. That is fine because I'm not streaming this. This would be streamed later when I'm done. OpenJDK I already did install. DJ. Okay, JDK. That's what they want to be called. Let's go with JDK and JD8. Now let's see how much time it takes. It won't take as much long as this, I feel. This is a very good line. I'll just crop this. Copy to clipboard and paste it in what? Name monadology.md. Let's get to the bottom of this and just paste it here. Nice. Is my recording on? Yeah, it is. This is taking time. I don't know. There's something wrong with my setup. I will do a mortal sin when it comes to this. Oh, sorry. I'm going to do a mortal sin. I'm going to get a Docker container. Docker container for Java. Yeah. Use containers for Java development. I'm using Docker inside Nix. That is bad. That is very bad, but still. Docker compose of hold, not this one. Inside Docker hub, just take me to that, man. OpenJDK official image. Control plus plus plus. Nicer. Installing the JDK shouldn't take that much time. Let's just close this. I lost hope in this. Here. 5. Okay, depreciation notice. So Suitable replacement ASAP. Some examples of official alternatives: Amazon Corretto, Ellipse, Temurin, IBM Several Runtimes, IBM Java. Quick reference: supported tags and respective Docker file links. Yeah, I can deal with it, it's fine. I'll close this. Docker full control shift V. Docker full open JDK. I can't waste time, that's it. Next does take up a lot of time for me, but one day it should be worth it. Pull. Okay, it has started pulling. Meanwhile, we'll read the book. been talking, but I forgot that my mic is off. What is this? Docker run IP rm v dot slash java dev 2. Wait, let's not do this. Let's do this instead. pwd slash java dev 2 slash 712 the hash. No, not the hash. I don't need the hash here. Docker run 712 this, and here I add bash.
Hey, best.
Hmm.
You?
Gotta figure out how to get the JSON and go back to command line. Good question. Slash ex slash ex. Goodbye text. Oh. Tech bash. I actually want to run bash. Okay, I can't run bash. Bash. Okay, let's do support bash. cd. Where did I do this? Add ls. Well, java dev mvn tech not found. How to install mvn? How to install? Download this now. To shell. Update local packages. Verify install Maven. How do I install Maven? This is done. Java Tech version. So I have to install Maven. Why? Okay. apt tech version. Do I even have apt on this? Command not wrong. Nice. I don't have apt on this one. MVN also I don't have. Forget it. Is this done? No. What is this built on? apt is not there visibly. Okay, I can try one more thing. Make shell can create a Docker file actually. Let's just cd javadev rs nvm docker file. Okay, wait, not even this. That is even not required. Docker images. I have an Ubuntu one. Docker pull Ubuntu. Docker pull Ubuntu list. This will take time. This is really testing my patience. Docker images b1d docker run it docker run b1 docker run it rm after execution is very important. One for this, two for this, two for this, one for that, two for this, one for that. Docker run it rm. I want this one to be linked to /app/ that, and the hash is 371 and let's run bash. My bad. Bash not found. /bin/bash. Let's see. Not found. Okay. Sh shell. Okay. Shell is found. Okay. ABD version. ABD not found. What exactly is happening? So install them. So they're not found. ABD install them. This is not how I need it.